this is our ingredients for our DIY lemon scrub to reduce large pores. Piece of lemon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, mineasure ka na to kanina. This is very quick and easy kasi paghahaluin lang natin yung brown sugar at saka kunin natin yung kalahating juice ng lemon. Tatago natin itong isa para pwede pa natin siyang gamitin sa susunod natin Tapos, squeeze mo lang yung juice niya hanggang sa maubos yung kalahati. Haluin lang natin para mag-create ng paste. And then, pwede na natin siyang i-apply sa ating face. Apply lang natin sa face. Rub. Ang lamig niya sa mukha.
Go, 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 yeah, go, let's go.
Do this twice a week, then we will see for the result.
Go, 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 let's go. Proud of shoe, yeah, I keep a style on me.